morning, everyone. Welcome to a new episode of High Altitude Motorsports. Today we have this 2020 Toyota Tundra and we're going to be supercharging it with a HARROP, I think is how you pronounce it.
I have no idea how you
Supercharger. So we're going to be getting this installed. Hopefully we get it done today, but we're going to see what happens. So let's go check out the parts. So this is our HARROP supercharger. Boom. All the parts. Oh, wow.
Damn.
Take this bumper off. Oh, hell yeah. Good. Good. Alrighty guys, so we just got our intercooler radiator mounted up. It went pretty smoothly. We got this in, we got our pump in, and we got everything put back together. We're gonna start getting some electrical work done, and then after that, it's time for the supercharger. Alrighty guys, so we have been just moving along on this. We got all the front stuff done, as you guys have seen. So the intercooler radiator's in, the pump is in, we've got all the wires ran cleanly. There's the relay, goes in the fuse box. Then if you come into the engine, we got our new crossover pipe installed with our new pulley, and then we have our other new pulley installed as well. All our new coolant hoses have been ran. So yeah, looking pretty good, and we are gonna get this supercharger installed right now. Alrighty guys, so we have filled this truck up with coolant and we've been letting it just run on ignition for the last couple minutes. We are going to do our first fire up. It's probably going to take a little bit to start because all the fuel has been drained from the lines. So let's just go on and go and see what happens.
Well, that actually didn't take all that long to start up either once you were cranking on it, huh?
It looks savvy, too bad it ain't.
So basically we're gonna put on the grill and the bumper, and then get up to temperature and test drive it.
Yep.
Warm up, get to the running temperature for about, I don't know, 20 minutes. Now it's time for a test drive.
So yeah, as Ryan said, we've been letting it warm up. We've been checking, there's no leaks. Everything seems to be running good. There's no check engine lights. And I think now the best thing to do is just go for a rip, you know, and see what it does.
There's a little bit of supercharger noise. I don't know if you guys could hear that or not. See what it sounds like inside of this thing.
It says refuel. There's no range, which is kind of funky. But it said the truck itself says it's at mid-level.
So we can't hear any whine noise with the windows down, probably because of the wind noise. We're gonna try with the windows up and see. I could hear it with...
Yeah, you can hear it a little bit, but I don't think the camera can pick that up.
We're gonna find out here shortly.
All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2.
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Yeah. Oh look, the range says 330 miles to empty. So it's kind of funky how it's saying refuel, but now that has reset itself. So everything is looking great. And super happy with this install. Probably take it back to the shop, check for fuel and coolant leaks one more time, turn it off, and then hopefully it will sit a little bit before he picks it up, and then we can check the coolant levels too. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up this truck. It's ripping, man, it's ripping. So the customer's gonna take it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next episode.